Hello, this is your coding kuya, your coding partner.
In this video, we will answer most frequently asked question. What is Python? What can Python do? And why Python? So, what is Python? So, Python was created in 1991. So, it's 32 years old programming language. It's that bad? Of course not. It means this is already matured programming language. So, we can rely on it. Undeniably, one of the most popular programming languages that among developers, software engineers, data analysts, accountants, and even scientists. I know one scientist friend studying Python. They want to extract data, including network engineers and DevOps. They use Python frequently, day to day. So what can Python do? Actually, Python can be used to create a web application like Google. It's created in Python. YouTube, Pinterest, and even Instagram. So Python can also automate things. For example, you have repetitive tasks and you want to automate it. Python is very popular creating or doing the tasks. You can move the file and folder to other folder or you can back up something. That's easy for Python. Python can connect also in database. Yes, and you can extract data. And also, you can modify files and read files. Well, for example, you have PDF and spreadsheet. You can do that, or Excel. And by the way, Excel now has Python inside. You can program Python inside Excel. And that's another topic in another video or another day. Wait for that. And also, you can use it for handle big data. That's why data analysts love it. You can also be used in artificial intelligence. That's very hot topic nowadays. And machine learning. That's why Python is very popular. And complex mathematics. That's why mathematicians are also here in Python, using Python. And Python can be used for rapid prototyping. It's ready for production. Another thing is you can also create games using Pygame. Yes, a lot of libraries, right? That's another topic again. And you can also create your crypto bot robot to automate your trading. Sounds good? That's another topic in another video on another day. Wait for that. Exciting. Very exciting what Python can do. And why Python? Python work or can run in different platforms like, Windows, Mac, Linux, even in Raspberry Pi, and Internet of Things. So you can use it in your refrigerator or your aircon, anywhere. It's anywhere. So that's a good thing. And Python has a simple syntax similar to English. Very easy. And Python has allowed developers to write fewer lines of codes. There is a meme on social media. It says that my 10 lines of Python can replace 10 files of Java. Not sure with that. Maybe they're just exaggerating. But yes, Python has a fewer code compared to other programming languages. Most of the programming language. And the transport interpreter, yes. So you can write in Windows and then run it to Linux and you can run it anywhere. So that's right ones run anywhere. Yeah, you can execute wherever it is. And you don't need to recode it. You don't need to recompile. And some other programming language like C++, you need to recompile in the platform that you will use. First, on this one, you can also create quick prototyping. Yeah, I use this for example, I'm just doing it like a pseudocode, but actually it's already a code. I can use that. I do that actually. So it's ready to run. So a few modification, my pseudocode will become a code. You can do that for quick prototyping. You can do that procedural way or object-oriented way. If you are interested to know how much the Python developer is earning, you need to subscribe in this channel because we will reveal it in our upcoming videos. If you like this kind of video, subscribe, like, share. Until next time, this is your Coding Kuya.